How to fix Redmi Note 13 Wi-Fi calling drains the battery. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on more connectivity options. On top you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off airplane mode. After turning on or off airplane mode, then go back and click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go closer to your router. After go closer to router, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.